Hey everybody, it's me, Johnny, and today I got a package in the mail. This is from Katy Perry official store. Now, I'm really excited because it's kind of heavy, and the only thing that said that shipped was the little keychain I got and the cassette. But this is a good weight. So I thought I'd do like an unboxing video because, like, you know, it's exciting. Kapari. Yeah. So let's open her up. I have a bunch of orders coming in. Well, supposed to be coming in. They need to, you know, ship. But whatever. Just like really excited. Here we go. Bitch, it's more than just a cassette. Okay. Okay. Hello. Why'd this move? Okay. So first up, we have the I'll never let him change me shirt. $2X, I'm a big bitch. Where's my chicken strips? Hopefully you can see that well, the lighting. It says I'll never let him change me. Katy Perry, this is from the Daisies line. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god. Got that. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. Yeah, there's no cassette or, keychain. Whatever. It'll be next time. But then we have this shirt. Katy Perry Smile, the album cover. 2X, I'm a big bitch. There's the back of it with the song titles. Ooh, snap. And they're so soft. Then we have the lenticular version. I'll do an unboxing of that. Oh my god. That doesn't do it. I'm just really excited. Then we have, oops, shit. Then we have the exclusive, I call it, picture disc vinyl. Smile. There's the back of it. And then, so they just have, I just want to see. The booklet just has lyrics on the inside. I'll just show it, but this, and then lyrics on the inside, like that. How do you know what is side A and side B? Okay, so we got that, and then we have the standard edition vinyl of Smile. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm actually really surprised because these didn't say that they got shipped. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, just thought I'd show that. I will do an unboxing of the lenticular version. And if there's other versions that you guys want an unboxing of, just let me know if I get them. And yeah, so I will see you all next time. Keep a smile, stay amazing. I love you all.